Today I'll show you how to fix the Windows 11 taskbar not working. Let's get started. First, check if the taskbar is set to automatically hide. Press Windows and I to open settings. Go to Personalization, then Taskbar. Expand taskbar behaviors and see if Automatically Hide the taskbar is checked. If it is, uncheck it. The taskbar should stay visible. If that's not the issue, restart Windows Explorer. Right-click the Windows icon and choose Task Manager. In the Processes tab, scroll down to find Windows Explorer or type Explorer in the search bar. Right-click Windows Explorer and select Restart. This should reload the taskbar and fix the problem. If this works, great. If not, let me know in the comments and I'll guide you through more fixes.